found the problem. Yo, when you hit over here, it made the nastiest sound. It looked like it wouldn't tap me.
Any drivers from the last race, please put your stuff down to the pit. You two bump guys, get batteries on.
Dude, I thought you were in the bump spot. I'm scared. Oh, look, our car's all like that.
Yeah. Good run, man.
Good run, Jerry.
Drive short course, A main. Go ahead and check in and head over.
Dude, I kind of gave up halfway through.
Brent. Jerry, followed by
Jerry,
Gerald, and
Jerry, Brent, Brian, and Scott.
Brian, Alicia,
Check. When you get back home, check it. Go front arm. When you hit, it made a nasty sound like something cracked.
Jerry, you're in second.
And then the thing just like falls apart. You're like, what the hell? And then I thought about it like,
Why are you fuckers all hitting each other?
Alright, we need at least one more marshal, guys. One more marshal. Jerry's in this one, so he's not going to be able to help. Alright, we've got 4. We've got, okay, we are actually good. Oh, look at that.
Miss Ma.
Wonderful. Alright, we've got marshals.
We probably need, unless Chris is taking it.
We
Okay.
have drivers. We have cars. We are ready to go.
You're good.
Race will start in less than. Nice and easy down the steps. Not going to be one here. Oh, Bert's caught air that doesn't exist. Oh, Jerry's upside down. Brent, please spot for that too. Put Jerry into a massive spot. Brent overcomes.
My chin will just rain scale.
Here they come around the S section. We'll see who can handle these drier conditions, Brent or Jerry. Oh, Brent gets a nice inside. Ah, slight touch. We'll let that one go. That was close, door to door. He got the inside line. Okay, we had Jared followed by Brent. Jerry messes himself up on the straightaway. Now he's going to be doing what Jerry does best, and that is hammer back from behind, because there's 7 minutes, 15 seconds left. Okay, got the time. Brent's looking to get him. A little breeze is kicked up, which Reese had it with these trucks. You got a perfect line. You can't be too high, can't be too low. So Jared heading down the straightaway. Brent coming around the corner now. He's heading down the straightaway. Looks like that interval's about 4 seconds, if I'm not mistaken. And we have Brian is in P3, followed by Gary. Oh, Brian, a little trick. If you're farther on the inside going over that jump, it's much steeper and you clear. Just let me know.
Oh, my God.
In the middle here, in the middle, gone. Jerry, your tire has got a flat. Just to let you know. Not that it's going to help you. Oh, what happened to Jared? That brings Brent right back into it. Yep, keep that nose down. Wow, Brent is not taking over that lead spot, but he has to turn it to go. Good. Jared Brian is not all that far back either. Brian's quite good with his son. Been picked up, so glad to see him. Glad to see them doing it so well, which they are. And if they have any questions, anybody help them out. Get them up there so that they're close to their top spot. They'll help them.
second.
Okay, here comes, 1 and 2. Oh, Brent gets lucky on that one, but Jared's able to get on the inside. Brent shuts the door. Jared's back on the inside. Back on, we got a little bit of that.
Come on, Jared.
All good. Good, back in. Bring Brian into the mix.
No, it's
Give another one going
I
down
couldn't
the
do that
stretch.
double out of the turn. I don't know why.
I'll get the rear end of that truck, Luke, I guarantee it. 1 and 2, separated by less than a half a second. Brian, oh, he still having trouble with that jump. Brian, try slower down the steps and give himself a little bit more hit that jump. Hopefully that will take it. That's Brian. That's allowed Jerry to get by for that pretty spot. Jared, being back by Brett because I used my eyes to some other spot on the track and my dog is missing it. Back where we were before. Now Jared's got a lead of 2.1 seconds, but we still have 3 minutes, 30 seconds left. Tons of time. All it takes is 1 good lap versus 1 not so good lap. That closes that gap instantly. Nice, very nice, Brian. Good transition to the relay. 1 and 2, closed up, going down the straightaway. Jerry going to brake hard. Brett was able to go a little bit faster. Brett doesn't have such a good shot going over the jump before the straightaway. 1.4 seconds separate. Oh, Jerry shorted it. Brett did. That's going to tighten it up. Brett's in there too hot. Cracking it. That's going to actually allow Jerry to creep his way back up there with 3 minutes, 30 seconds to go. 2 minutes to go.
Thanks, Scott.
Handle mistakes. Jerry says, I'm not making it. So, up to Brett. Take this.
Second.
Nice. Yeah, a little harder than the last one. Brett was a little harder than the Jerry was fine. Oh, we got one stuck here. Tom, the other way.
I can't see.
Yo, Dom, this is your spot. You're in the middle. This is you right here. You got the middle of the middle. I think you're down stretch or something.
Second.
Separated by 5.2 seconds. You're going to be 45 on the top. Starting to pick up the race time now. Jerry.
Oh, God.
Wow. Jerry's going to have to sacrifice something. Jerry's got a small wheel. Out of the way. Rear wheel was really good. Brett's got a race to group gather. He went second, last, second, fourth. Going up and down there. Jerry had an excellent transition through the rim section down into the S's. Going to be heading into the triple. Jerry scored the first one. It's the second one impossible. Brett scored the thing. Managed to handle the second double either. Thanks, Tom. Current order: Jared, Jerry, Brent, Brian, and Scott.
First.
Oh, what was that? Okay. I know you're supposed to look a little bit. That was like Hi.
Third.